Okay, super. Yeah, so thanks for having me. It's great to have the opportunity to talk about the legacy of Bora Pharmaceuticals, the Bora Group, and how we've been able to leverage the manufacturing excellence that exists in Taiwan to penetrate North America and the US market. I think when you consider the legacy of Taiwan and the manufacturing excellence that exists here, whether it's the semiconductor business or the pharmaceutical industry, that's something that's common for other customers and other partners within the CDMO sector to really truly be looking for. That reliability, the quality, the ability for us to be able to produce for them consistently for all different types of molecules is something that's helped Bora to penetrate that market. So regardless of what is happening across geopolitical factors and such, that reliability is a very, very important piece of this. Bora has been fortunate to develop a pretty broad network. We've got multiple facilities within North America. We have the existing facilities within Taiwan. Those allow us to leverage capacity and know-how and be able to really navigate what's happening. So, some of our customers are looking for US supply, so they come to us for that. Some of our customers are looking for better reliability, but also need the cost constraints that Taiwan can afford by having a very stable workforce that is very cost effective as well. So I see us as a very, very robust option for companies that are looking for a benefit of a cost of goods structure or cost efficiencies to be able to leverage the Taiwan expertise to achieve those things. So for us, it's been fortunate to be able to take the Taiwanese, the Bora legacy, and really introduce it to North America. We've done that with our people and teaching them what that looks like, but we've also done it through partnerships and building trust with the different customers. When you come to an event like BioAsia Taiwan, it's an opportunity for us to talk more about our capacity and our capabilities outside of Taiwan, helping people to understand that Bora is actually much bigger than what we've already established and been doing quite well here in Taiwan. So an event like this is a fantastic opportunity for us to network. I just finished taking some pictures with former colleagues of mine that I work with back in the Bay Area. So it's a small world at the end of the day still, but we all owe it to our partners and to the patients that are relying on us. And events like this allow us to help to make sure that those types of connections, that innovation is being shared across the globe. Yeah, so I just arrived this morning, but coming to Taiwan multiple times, I continue to be reminded of how special the talent is here, how special and how much impact this region of the world can have on the industry. And seeing the folks that are going to be here this week and speaking, we've got multiple customer meetings lined up to talk with them about current projects or future projects and how we can continue to impact patients all over the globe. I'm very thankful to BioAsia Taiwan to be able to give us that opportunity to come and do this within this region of the world. We attend their other events elsewhere around the globe, so very excited to have this one happening in our own backyard. It's a great question when you think about the CDMO landscape. I personally believe that kind of the day and age of this kind of cutthroat competition, there are so many patients and so many different modalities and treatments that are needing to be brought forward and brought to market. I see the CDMO world as operating as more of an ecosystem. You're seeing more and more strategic alliances signed to where you allow one CDMO to leverage their expertise and partner with another CDMO that actually has a different expertise. We're even doing it within Bora Group, where Bora Biologics can help to develop the large molecule programs, and then we take it within Bora Pharmaceuticals Group and we do the fill finish so it's actually ready to achieve dosing to a patient. You're seeing that even across entities that are outside of the same parent company. And I think it's necessary. You're never going to be able to bring the molecules to market that the patients are waiting on if we continue to kind of work in silos. So the collaboration across the industry, I think, is a very important step forward.